Right, here it is, guys. Just passed through the Appalachian Falls Visitor Center. Should be right back there. Just passed through the arch. Got everything we need. Then got about 8.6 miles of the approach trail, and then which will be on the top of Springer Mountain. So I should be getting there a couple hours. But first we got these stairs coming up, going up the Appalachian Falls. Pretty steep, pretty strenuous. It's I think it said like 425 steps going up the falls. So that'll be fun with a 30-pound pack on. So yeah, supposed to be getting some rain, thunderstorms tonight, which should be fun. Want to get there before that happens, get the tent set up, everything ready to go. I think they said about 4 o'clock. So, got to get a move on, do my thing, you know? So, and get back to you at the base of the falls. Peace. So you got a ways to go. Gotta go all the way the fuck up there. We got this. Right. First 124 steps down. Halfway. Just made it to the falls. See them right behind me. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. All those steps leading up to the top of the mountain. Got a sign coming up. These stairs are no joke, guys. Probably about halfway there. Still gotta go way the fuck up there. Started way down there. Should have did the Stairmasters more often. Got me ready for this shit. But my quads are on fire. Fuck. Me and Justin did this yesterday before he left. When he dropped me off without our packs on. And it still fucking sucked. This is even worse. 30 pounds on your back. It's humid as fuck. But we'll get it. Gonna get it. See you guys at the top. Guess what, guys? We made it to the fucking top. Whew. Look at that. Fucking beautiful. Looks like we go that way. motherfuckers. Sitting up here on the top of Springer Mountain. Stayed up here last night. Rained like a bitch. Had a good thunderstorm run through. I think we had a like marble-sized hail come through, and good downpour for probably about 15-20 minutes. Then kind of windy, cooled off a little bit, but as you can see, it's still kind of foggy. Can't really see much, but it's a good spot right here. This is the Springer Mountain Shelter. Pretty good night last night. Having a lot of the drips from the trees bounce on the tent all night. Still dripping, but it was pretty good. Wasn't too bad. Got my coffee made. Breakfast is done. About to pack up the site and head out. Not sure where we're going yet. I gotta pull out a wall, see where we're going, see when the next shelter is. But they're saying rain for the middle part of the day, and then it should be getting good, be getting nice at least by the end of the day. As long as I get off this mountain, get some good lower elevation, shouldn't be too bad weather-wise. But I'll see you on the trail. Peace. What's up, guys? Back on trail. Just coming out of the Springer Mountain Shelter. Spent the night there last night. And it's a good shelter, not too bad. Not a lot of people there. Probably, I would say about 10 people. Considering how there were supposed to be 40 people starting the trail yesterday, so I was actually expecting it to be a little more crowded than it was. But I'm sure with the chance of rain for the next 2 days, well, yesterday and today, that a lot of people probably postpone their hike to Wednesday, their start date to Wednesday, because after Wednesday it's supposed to be awesome. It's supposed to be sunny, 50-60 degrees, just beautiful. So I'm sure a lot of people just waited, but I didn't want to. I wanted to get that I just wanted to rip that band-aid right off. Get wet, get down and dirty with it, get it over with. Didn't want to start out in like the pristine condition, you know. It's best to get into it, get in the thick of it, learn what you got to do, and just roll with it, you know. So, plan today is, can't remember the name of the shelter, but it's just before Sassafras Mountain, about 8.4 miles today. If it's anything like that 8 miles I did yesterday, whew, it's gonna be a long day. That approach trail was no joke. Up, down, really steep fucking inclines. Where are we at? What's the Benton McKay Trail? Little side trail. But most importantly, you see that right there? Yeah, that's a white blaze. It means we are on the Appalachian Trail. Appalachian, however you want to say it. South of the Dixon line, it's Appalachian. North of the Dixon line, it's Appalachian. Whatever, same thing. Different enunciation. But yeah, getting to, I'm gonna have to find the name of that shelter. About 8 miles today. It's supposed to rain a little bit during the middle of the day. I don't know, that's here. I don't know if it's gonna be where I'm at, so we'll have to see. But it looks like the sun's trying to peek out. Not much for views today, because as you can tell, it's just kind of foggy. That fog rolled in yesterday after we had a good rain. We had a good thunderstorm last night too. It was had me a little nervous. There was hail, lightning everywhere, thunder everywhere, lots of rain. I'm gonna have to, when I get into town for the first time, I'm gonna have to, there's a couple little leaks I found, nothing major. Just a couple little drips. But with the amount of rain we got, I wasn't surprised it was gonna do anything, so. All right, catch you in a little bit. What's up, guys? Back on trail. Just got done with some lunch. Had cooked up some ramen noodle. Sitting here at Three Forks National Forest Service Road. And guess what? The fucking sun has come out. It's gonna be a great day. Got about 4 miles till Hawk Mountain Shelter, which is where I'll be spending the night tonight. Do that. A little bit of an incline on the way there. Not too bad, but today has been nothing compared to the approach trail yesterday. Today has been a breeze trail-wise. I like how they kick you off right at the get-go with that approach trail. All those steps, all those inclines. Some of them were pretty steep, I gotta admit. Had me gasping, I was sweating like a motherfucker. But we were supposed to get some rain today. I don't think it's coming through. It was supposed to be midday. It's about 12:30, 1 o'clock right now. And sun's out, probably about 50 degrees. Nice little breeze. Birds are chirping. It's a beautiful fucking day. So, leave you at that. What's up, guys? So we're here at where are we? Hawk Mountain Shelter. Not at the shelter. I'm at the he's got a campsite. I think it's just less than a mile from Hawk Mountain Shelter, but they got like 18 or 19 different camping pads that you can just set up a tent at. So got here about hour and a half ago, and set the tent up, let it dry out, because it got put away totally wet this morning with all the rain and shit we got last night. And being up on top of that mountain, it just stayed wet. Humidity was high, everything. So had to roll this thing up, just sopping wet. So got here, set the tent up right away because the sun was shining, let that dry out for a little bit. Then tried to get a fire started. Took about an hour. got the fire going. Nice fire going. And then it started raining. And at first it just sprinkled. And just got heavier and heavier for about a half hour. And here we are. Just kind of, it's not heavy or anything, but it's just kind of a consistent rain. So my fire is probably out now, which is awesome. I'm just kind of laying here, waiting for the rain to stop. I think it's just a Passover. It's not supposed to last very long. Yep. So, got everything right here. Just chilling out. Got older couple up top. I think at campsite 8 or 9. They're camping up there. And I think I'm at 17, 18. Somewhere about that. But it's just like a trail that goes down to a water source. So down there's the water source. And then they just put tent sites along that route. It's not bad, pretty flat. Yeah, so just waiting here, chilling out, being bored.